BambooRemoval.com. We're looking at a swimming pool. Beautiful pool. New pool just put in. And there's bamboo. And the bamboo rhizome grew beneath the pool in a matter of weeks, and it came up in the bottom of the pool so that it punctured through the liner. You're looking at it right there, dead center. That's the bamboo rhizome, punctured the liner, came through the bottom of the pool. Now it's growing in the pool. If we leave it here long enough, I guarantee you this rhizome will come up 4 feet through the water. This pool is 4 feet deep, and you'll see the bamboo sticking its head out of the water. That's why it's so important to get rid of your bamboo. This is all the bamboo here. It grew underneath, and now this new pool, which cost thousands of dollars to build or install, has to be taken apart, and the liner has to be replaced or repaired in order that we get all the rhizomes out wherever they exist. BambooRemoval.com. We dig your bamboo. Have a good swim.